Section 1. General Awareness. A. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Sardar Patel. Answer B. B.R. Ambedkar. Though the capital of Odisha was shifted from Cuttack to Bhubaneswar in which year? A. 1945. B. 1950. C. 1948. D. 1960. Answer C. 1948. Theme. The largest river in India by volume is A. Ganga. B. Yamuna. C. Brahmaputra. D. Godavari. Answer C. Brahmaputra. 4. The Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? A. 1757. B. 1764. C. 1857. D. 1805. Answer 1757. 5. Who was the first president of India? A. Rajendra Prasad. B. S. Radhakrishnan. C. Zakir Hussain. D. V. Giri. Answer Rajendra Prasad. Chair. The Konark Sun Temple was built by which king? A. Kharavela. B. Anantavarman Chodaganga. C. Narasimha Devai. D. Ashoka. Answer C. Narasimha Devai. 7. What is the currency of Japan? A. Won. B. Yen. C. Ringgit. D. Rupiah. Answer B. Yen. 8. The head of the Indian Armed Forces is A. Prime Minister. B. President. C. Defense Minister. D. Chief of Defense Staff. Answer B. President. No. Hirakud Dam is built on which river? A. Mahanadi. B. Brahmani. C. Batarani. D. Subarnarekha. Answer Mahanadi. Thus, the first Indian satellite launched into space was A. INSATAK. B. Aryabhat. C. Bhaskar. D. Rohini. Answer B. Aryabhat. 11. The Nobel Prize is not awarded in which category? A. Literature. B. Medicine. C. Mathematics. D. Peace. Answer C. Mathematics. 12. The governor of a state in India is appointed by A. Prime Minister. B. Chief Minister. C. President. D. Home Minister. Answer C. President. 13. Chandragupta Maurya was the founder of which dynasty? A. Gupta. B. Maurya. C. Chola. D. Rajput. Answer B. Maurya. 14. What is the longest river in Odisha? A. Subarnarekha. B. Batarani. C. Brahmani. D. Mahanadi. Answer D. Mahanadi. 15. The famous dance form of Odisha is A. Kathak. B. Odissi. C. Bharatanatyam. D. Mohiniyattam. Answer B. Odissi. Section 2. General English. 16. Choose the correct synonym of abundant. A. Scarce. B. Plentiful. C. Tiny. D. Little. Answer B. Plentiful. 17. What is the antonym of expand? A. Grow. B. Reduce. C. Increase. D. Enlarge. Answer B. Reduce. 18. Fill in the blank. The cat is hiding the table. A. On. B. Over. C. Under. D. In. Answer C. Under. 19. Identify the correctly spelled word. A. Necessary. B. Necessary. C. Necesse. D. Necessary. Answer B. Necessary. Please choose the correct sentence. A. She don't like ice cream. B. She doesn't like ice cream. C. She doesn't like ice cream. D. She not like ice cream. Answer B. She doesn't like ice cream. 21. Convert into passive voice. He wrote a letter. A letter was written by him. B. A letter is written by him. C. A letter has been written by him. D. A letter writes by him. Answer A letter was written by him. Bias. Find the correct word to complete the analogy. Book, read pen. A. Write. B. Ink. C. Paper. D. Erase. Answer A. Write. These. Identify the adverb in the sentence. She sings beautifully. A. She. B. Sings. C. Beautifully. D. None of these. Answer. C. Beautifully. 24. Choose the correct preposition. She is fond music. A. On. B. At. C. Off. D. In. Answer. C. Off. 25. Choose the correct indirect speech of he said I am happy. A. He said he is happy. B. He said that he was happy. C. He said that I am happy. D. He said that he will be happy. Answer. B. He said that he was happy. 26. What is the plural of cactus? A. Cactuses. B. Cacti. C. Cactis. D. Cactus. Answer. B. Cacti. 27. Choose the correct article. It is honor to meet you. A. B. An. C. Te. D. No article needed. Answer. B. An. 28. The past participle of go is A. Gone. B. Went. C. Going. D. Goes. Answer. A. Gone. 29. What is the meaning of the idiom break the ice? A. Start a conversation. B. Break something. C. Stop talking. D. Make something cold. Answer. A. Start a conversation. 30. Choose the correct word. He has been working here 5 years. A. Since. B. For. C. At. D. By. Answer. B. For.